At the U-Builder homepage, click on New Project, Flat Roof, Ballasted Roof Mount GridFlex 10. We always recommend designing on a map. On the project page, in the module selection menu, select the manufacturer and model of the modules being used. Enter the physical address of the project site to find it on the map. You will be able to design directly on the rooftop. Use the Draw Shape tool to outline the surface area, placing the boundaries right at the roof edges. As you're drawing, you can hold Shift to lock corners at 90 degrees. The bold line indicates which edge will be designated the south edge and can be switched by selecting different edges. Open the Location and Loads flyout menu on the left side of the screen to enter in the project information, such as the client's name. Building code should be chosen according to the local jurisdiction. Wind exposure is determined by the location. Choose Exposure B for urban or suburban areas with buildings or trees that reduce wind impact. Choose Exposure C for open terrain such as grasslands or fields with scattered obstructions. Or choose Exposure D for coastal areas with no wind barriers for at least a mile. You can find the loads for your project from the local jurisdiction or from the ASCE hazard tool, accessible at the link below. Enter the project address. Select the building code and risk category, and enter the site soil class. This will give you the wind, snow, and seismic values. Return to U-Builder and enter those values into the project. Enter the elevation and risk category, also found with the ASCE hazard tool. Risk Category 2 is for most residential and commercial buildings, while Risk Category 3 is for highly populated commercial buildings like schools or government offices. Essential facilities such as firehouses, police buildings, and hospitals fall under Category 4. For these cases, you should reach out to Unirac for evaluation of the design. Select Inputs Verified to finish. The third flyout menu is the Building and Racking Options menu. Here you can enter the building's height, roof type, parapet height, setback distance, and the longest and shortest building lengths. Under Racking Options, you can allow for half-block ballasting. Indicate whether the project requires UL 3741 requirements. If it applies, enter the downpoint limit here, which can be given by the building SEOR or can be found in the feasibility report. You can also allow for mechanical attachment. Optimize attachments by choosing between seismic only, minimum number, limit by PSF limits, or go full system mechanical attachment. If you choose PSF limit, enter the value here. Select your attachment type here. Choose between Unirac's FlashLock RM, U-Anchor, OMG, or choose Custom for unlisted attachments. Select Inputs Verified to finish.